In news today, China's dangerous. Fires fuck everywhere. I mean globally, all over the goddamn globe. On fire. Fire, fire, fire. Still haven't gone out. Going crazy. They're talking about what's up with triple La Nina. I told you what's up with triple La Nina. His name is Ra. Russia losing stuff because they're getting dangerous too. Oh my God, see? And then we're talking about this shit with fucking Trump in the hoopty and horse feeding people juice. That's not good. Air quality worsens at 95. Fucking fires burn across the western U.S. Yeah, because that's normal up in goddamn northern western U.S. Mm-hmm. And someone's fucking Schumann was spiking one day. Yeah, we got a bunch of quakes going on. Kind of like I said. Yep, sevens, fives. Well, let's see. Where is our seven? Pinpoint that. Polly wants to know. I don't know. I just got online, damn it. Here, let's figure it out. Right above Australia here, Papua New Guinea. I think it was seven. Yep, 7.6. Strongest one today. Yeah, it's a pretty good one. Lots of quakes. Nothing changed. Let's take a look at this wall. Looks like we've got some Cherenkov build up. Oh, a little bit of charge. A little bit of IMF going on here today. Nothing new, just a little more than last week. I bet your food prices ain't gonna be any cheaper either, are they, Glenn? So you're dealing with your fingerprints, your magnet signature coming through your fingers. We've gone over this extensively. You can manipulate magnetic fields with your hands. That's what we do. That's how we heal. That's how we heal ourselves. That's how we heal each other. I see our old friends are still here. Just a little stronger, though. Like I said, they would be. Gee, kind of like when I called the Queen's death a week before they announced it. It's pretty obvious. The woman was dead. They were beefing people up in the news. And I no less than said, oh, she'll be dead in a week. Watch. Well, she was. Isn't that funny how that shit works? I know how these fuckers work. I can tell what they're fucking gonna lay out in front of you days before they do. That's why I'm so accurate. I ain't no fool. I ain't pointing out hot spots. The fucking waves coming out of fucking nowhere because we're fucking hitting our brakes as a planet. We're on our side. Earth's axis shifted. So says NASA. Want to debate that? They blame glaciers melting. Well, the glaciers are melting because we got three suns, obviously. If I was wrong, I'd been wrong a long fucking time ago. Famine, you're running out of food, everything's more expensive. That's how it starts. Fire, the whole fucking goddamn globe's been on fire all year, and it's just spreading worse and worse and worse every day because the trees are hollow. Been warning you. Hope you're ready. Me and Polly got an RV. Obviously, Polly got her butt washed. We're gonna be good. I tried to download a picture of the RV this morning. It's been doing it for like 5 hours, but we ain't had no signal till now. So this is gonna go up first. I'm gonna bring up the live updater. All right, take it light, y'all.